guys, so today we're going to go back over letter writing practice with some examples this time. So I have on my Powtoon here a little presentation, and we're going to go over how to write a letter with some tips, tricks, and examples. So like we said, the first step of a letter is the heading. So in this you can include your address, but it's not required, but you must have the date in the top right hand corner of your paper. And next we have the greeting. So the greeting is how you're going to start your letter. And some examples, you can say, dear, whoever you're writing, hello, whoever you're writing, or if you're writing to your special someone, you can say, my sweet, whoever you're writing to. Next we have the body. So the body is the longest and most important part of the letter. This is where you're writing what you want to say to the person. And some examples you can write about are what you're doing, how you're feeling. You can ask how the other person is doing, and you can ask and just say any information you wish to share with them. So the next part of the letter is the closing. So the closing is how you're going to wrap up your letter. Some examples, you can put love, your friend, thank you, best wishes, whatever you want. And finally, the last part of the letter is your signature. So the signature is just your name, but you must write it in cursive. So this is all for this video. Check out the next one and we'll get into a Quizlet and a little test. Thanks.